How to add PayPal to Wix. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add your PayPal to your Wix website. So having said that, let's just jump into it. So over here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different sites. What you're going to do is first create a site. Now I've already created a site, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that site. I'm going to select and edit the site. I'm going to go into it, and over here we have two methods. First is the easy one, and the other one is also an easy one. Both are very easy methods, so don't get confused about it. But the difference is that both of them act as different. So first one is going to be a one-off button. So for example, if you have a website where you offer just a single product or a single tool or a single item, then you only need a one-off button to buy that item. People are only going to need that one button. And since you offer no other products, of course you're not going to need more than one button, but we're going to show you right now. So for example, this is the website right here, right? So I'm going to go to the editor. Wait a couple of seconds for it to load. I don't know why it took me to the ADI editor. I don't know why. So let it just load up. Wait a couple of seconds. Okay, I think we're no, still loading. Okay, so just gonna shift you guys over to where it's loaded. All right, so here we are. For you, it might have taken a second. For me, not so much. All right, so here we are. So for example, this is the website and we're only offering one service, right? This is just a demo website. Everything's all over the place. We got a pizza over here, taxi in the middle, boat, and lifeguard tent, whatever that is in the middle, and then books and paint at the end, and then we have a restaurant. Everything is out of order. So this is just a testing website, but the process is going to be exactly the same. So for you, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here into the ad application over here on the left side on the ad app, and over here we're going to go over to the app market. As you can see, this is it. What we're going to add is a PayPal button. So we're just going to search for PayPal button. All right, so over here, as you can see, this is the button that we want, and we have a bunch of different ones as well. So we have a paid plan comparison, we have a price table, and we also have a button. So for example, if your website it has a subscription type of plans, then you can go with the paid plan comparison where you can sell different plans. All right, you can have a standard, then a premium, and then the elite plans. You can add that with this button as well, and the same with pricing tables as well, which can display prices for different products and packages, bundles, and stuff like that. So for now, we're just going to use the PayPal button. All right, PayPal Stripe payment subscription donation button. We're just simply going to click on it, and we're just simply going to click on add to site. Wait a couple of seconds for the button to be added to your site. Over here, yeah, add to site, and boom, save changes. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, we have the button over here. So that's how it was, that's how it looks like. So you can just go ahead and position it anywhere you want in your website. It all depends on you. So for me, I'm just gonna keep it over here in the center. There we go. We're just gonna remove this button over here. So this is how it's gonna look like for you, and you can go ahead and edit this button as well. So if we click on it and go into the settings for this button, we can change it as well. We can change it to different types. So over here we have the donation button, we have the subscription button, and for the subscription button you'll need to have a PayPal business, Premier, or a merchant account to use that, and you can switch that account within your Wix settings, of course. So you can change your account type, and then you can have a subscription button as well. But for now, we're going to choose this one, and then we have different options as well. So in settings, we have connect payment account, we have payment notification, autoresponder email, redirect after payment in Google Tag Manager and stuff like that. We have products over here. We even have the design elements over here, which can help us with the different themes. So we have blue, we have dark blue, and then we have the classic PayPal button, as you can see over here. We have the modern one, and we have different colors, and you can choose whichever one you want. So I'm going to choose this one right here, and then you have button design as well. So over here you can have like a gradient effect, you can have like a button flat type and outline or raised. It all depends on you, but for me I'm going to keep it flat and enable gradient. Here we go. And then we have the gradient orientations. We have vertical, horizontal, diagonal, and radical and radial. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty good. And then we can change the roundness as well. Over here we have the button shadow, hard shadow, we can have that, and border width, everything, we can customize this button as well. So remember, this is for those that only have like a one-off payment or a donation site, where you simply sell just one item or have a donation website or stuff like that. This button will be for those people. But for example, if you are selling multiple items, then of course you're not going to place different buttons all over the website. That's just not going to look good. And for that, we're going to go over to the site over here at the top left corner. We're going to go over to the dashboard for this website. And once we're over here into the dashboard, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto the left side, and over here we have settings. What we're going to do is we're going to click on settings, and over here we have accept payments as well, and we have invoices. This is for the e-commerce and finance, and we also have a finance option over here on the left side as well, where you can go ahead and go directly to payments as well. So we can go with that, or you can go ahead and click on settings and do it that way. It all depends on you. And since we're over here into the payment section, we can go ahead and click on manage payment. As you can see, PayPal is not available in my country, but as you can see over here, my location is over here. Maybe change it, maybe then I can see it. Here we go. Let me choose the United States. Here we go. As you can see over here, this is how it's going to be for you if your country supports PayPal, that is. And then you have PayPal over here. You have app, credit, debit card with Wix and stuff like that, and then you have manual payment. And to connect it, just simply click on the connect button, and over here you just have to fill in the account details over here. As you can see, enter in your PayPal account email from below, click connect, and you'll be redirected to the PayPal, and then follow the instructions and log in, and your PayPal account will be connected to Wix. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's just nothing too technical about that. And the same goes with accept credit cards as well. If you connect over here, then you can choose which one you want. So over here we have a bunch of different restrictions which Wix does not allow over here onto their website. And do you sell any of these prohibited items? No, I do not. And click on continue, and then it's gonna connect me to the providers of this service over here. So as you can see, we have Apple Pay over here, we have credit card, we have debit card and credit card over here. We need to have to upgrade our plan for that. We need to have a business or an e-commerce premium plan to accept credit or debit or have Apple Pay. But if you don't, you can just simply connect your PayPal account, or you can have manual payments as well. So as you can see, that's how you basically do it. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. Because if you do that, not only will you be helping us out, but you'll also be getting daily alerts of whenever we upload our videos. We upload daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. So just make sure to hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified, and you'll be able to consume your daily dose of tech videos and other gadgets and other tools that can help you run or scale your business. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.